Hi, welcome to Norton Member Services and Support. In this video you will learn how to install Norton Browser Extensions on Firefox browser. The Norton Browser Extensions include Norton Safe Search, Norton Safe Web, Norton Homepage, and Norton Password Manager. Norton Safe Search filters unsafe web results and ranks your results based upon the site safety status and lets you know if the sites are safe even before you visit them. Norton Safe Web defends you from identity thefts and online scams by warning you of dangerous sites while you search, shop, and browse online. It also provides safety information for every web page you visit. Norton Homepage helps you to enable Norton Safe Search as your home page on your Firefox browser. Norton Password Manager enables you to securely store and manage all your sensitive information such as your logins, personal information, and financial information. This information is stored in an encrypted vault that only you can access. You can then use this information to easily log into websites, fill online forms, and quickly make online payments. Now, let's see how to install these extensions from the Norton product. Open Norton. If you see the My Norton window, in the Device Security row, click Open. In the Norton LifeLock main window, click Internet Security. From the browser drop-down menu, select Firefox and then click the Setup Now button. You are then redirected to the Browser Protection webpage, where you will find options to install the Norton extensions applicable for the Firefox browser. We recommend you to install all the available extensions to have a safe browsing experience. You can either click the Install option below each extension, or click the Enable All Norton Extensions button. In the pop-up window, click Allow. Click Add and then click OK. You have enabled an extension. Now you can click Next and follow the same procedure to install all the extensions. Now let's see how to enable Norton extensions from the browser. Open Firefox and click the Settings icon. Select the Add-ons option. Search for Norton. Click Norton Password Manager and then click Add to Firefox. Click Add and then click OK. You can follow the same steps to add the Norton Safe Web extension. There you go. You have installed all the Norton extensions on the Firefox browser. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit our support website, support.norton.com.